Good morning, Legion. Today is the Ecosystem Cloud call, which you're not going to want to miss. It's going to feature Alex S. from Aurora with a discussion on near-intense fees, as well as the trade-offs behind the near-intense design model of solvers. It will also include ConsumerFi and a representative from the House of Stake on the latest updates. Tune in at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. It's going to be a good one. First up in our AI stories today, last week, the renowned tech analyst Benedict dropped his biannual overview, this one titled AI Eats the World. Featuring 90 slides on macro and strategic trends in tech, it covers hyperscalers, the AI bubble, the current state of AI, and much more. It is well worth your time. Don't miss it. Our second story has to do with the value of well-trained, cheap models and how they can occasionally punch well above their weight. The tiny 1.5 billion model called Vibe Thinker is now trending #1 on Hugging Face. Trained with only $7,800, it achieves reasoning performance comparable to larger models like GPT-OSS 20B Medium. Zooming out, this is again in line with the trend of frontier models pushing breakthroughs, but then much cheaper alternatives emerging a short time later, open source and available for everyone. Is it the tech or is it the distribution? Time will tell. Last up today, AI 2027 has now been scheduled for AI 2033. If you remember, we covered the AI 2027 project back in September, and in all honesty, this change of dates is actually good news. Simply put, we're not moving to AGI as quickly as some may have originally thought. It also means we have more time to build out the Legion and prepare for Nirvana. Furthermore, it means everyone in the Legion has more time to learn the latest and greatest AI tools to avoid unemployment and harness the power of AI for our community and our ecosystem. Thanks for tuning in, and for our American friends, happy Thanksgiving. We'll do this all again real soon.